Yes, man, viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Stullaa from here, the Vines, you know how it is. J-Rile got a tune called Up North, and a young guns them, a young talent. So you know, so we have to pray them. And if you follow them kind of tune there, him did have a tune named Jimmy.
Jimmy stay loyal, but don't trust no one. Jump out, walk down, matter ball, oh God. Anything for you.
Yes, my viewer, subscriber. Remember, J-Rile did a squeeze trigger upon a one year. But before we go in at the review, we are going to drop the intro. So walk with me.
Heavy girl a man, say they want the God. Tell them that this Stullaa I'll never take up.
Already never drop yard. Blue and white shopping something like a cop car. Yo, this style them fisting like a boxer. Pony truck like a track star. She link me up on the north side. From town she come down. We take her out on a boat ride.
Yo, my viewer, subscriber. The man say a north him come from. A countryside in Depan. So you know him things set a certain kind of way. He meds on a certain different kind of level. But guess what? A chick come check him from town. So right now him a go turn up him things. Seen? Cause him say him know say the chick used to a certain kind of living. Him say him know say the chick used to a certain kind of flossing. But the countryside in Depan, so him a go say, yo, first thing him a go do, I take her up on a boat ride.
Shot for the shot of them, some real and them and grow with a lot of them. Them not first class, so we living with style, them different number one.
To a subscriber, a man said, yo, not because me come from up north. The thing say me simple. A man say, yo, me ever ready, ever hard, never job guard. You see me? And I them think that man a make you know. Cause even Vybz Kartel endorse him. Cause you know say Vybz Kartel endorse the whole of the little young thug them right there now. And J-Rile a kick. J-Rile a say certain things.
Living with style, them different number one on the chart, yeah. Beach Cranberry with the NEC. In a rah, cannabis rap like dead from the mark. Yes, in the middle, yeah. Chopping you, we chopping them hard. Grow rough now.
Yo, my viewer, subscriber. A man a make you know say, yo, him thing different. You not find no style out a road like this. A man say, yo, him dep on him NSC and him weed and yo. Where you say, J-Rile, you know say from you touch the Henny, you know from you touch the weed, you dep on a different kind of level, and that of the real. So yeah, you see me? I saw the Stullaa deal with it. Saying, so at that man I say, yo, ever ready, ever hard, never job guard. Thing coming like a boxer, it a chew hard. Yo, me I tell you, bars.
Up north, west, south, the east coast banging. South of it, Cloud Wall Street, where your damage go hard. Pull up on the sands, pan the gram for your dog, every girl going bad. Yeah, yo, sexy little dolly, she say, Poppy, what about the English in a talk? Oh, rafting, send to me now of your coffin.
Viewer, subscriber, a whole heap of people surround J-Rile thing, and a whole heap of pan J-Rile a knock. You see me? Because Bounty Killer endorse him. Vybz Kartel endorse him. Rowan Malia endorse him. Shaggy same thing bad. Seen? And him a represent for you up north. But right now we said, yo, it's your boy Stullaa. Don't forget to like, share, or comment, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. Your boy Stullaa will not say nothing more. One.